Nagliligpit kami, biglang lumakas yung hangin.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.
Good morning guys, another day, another adventure na naman tayo. Samahan nyo kami. South naman tayo magka-camping sa may Lipa. So, puro kami tanay nung nakaraan. Ngayon Lipa naman tayo guys. Tara, let's go. Camping tayo.
Oh, oh. Gabi na tahimik ang daan. Headlight lang ang saksi sa ating lakad. Iniwan ang ingay ng syudad sa likod. Problema'y kumukupas. Bintana bukas, hangin ang yakap. Sa bawat segundo, buhay ang tapak. Walang preno ang pangarap. Diretso
Umulan. Maganda mag-set up ng tent ngayon. Guys, papunta kami ngayon ng God's Greenery sa may Lipa. Ito naulan. Summer ngayon pero naulan. Ito maganda mag-set up. Tag-ulan na. So yun guys.
ang biyahe ng buhay. Kahit saan dalhin, tuloy lang ang sakay. Sa dilim mo liwanag ng daan. HID
Malapit na kami, guys.
hindi titigil sa paglalakbay. Naka-overdrive, walang babagal. Sa bawat liko, mas lalong lumalakas. Ito ang kwento ng kalsada. Ito ang buhay na pinili ko na. Gasolina ay lakas ng loob. Pawi sa talikabok ang medalya ko. Sa ilalim ng bituin, kampoy buhay, tawa, kwento, apoy. Sa gitna ng dilim ng gabi, hindi perpekto ang takbo. May lubak, may ulan sa daan ko. Pero sa bawat hinto at sugat, mas malinaw kung sino ako. Pudrat, pagod man ang makina. Sandali lang, tapos arangkada. Hindi karera ang mahalaga, kundi ang kwentong dala ng bawat biyahe. Maka-overdrive, kambiyahe ng buhay. Kahit saan dalhin, tuloy lang ang sakay. Sa bundok, dagat o
Ito guys, kararating lang namin dito sa God's Greenery. Yan. So may isang camper na dito. Tapos yun, naliligo sila sa pool. So ito yung spot na napili namin, malapit sa pool. Set up muna kami. Kasi hapon na rin. Alas 3 na. Tara guys, set up tayo muna. Ito guys, katatapos na namin mag-setup. Ito yung gamit namin, Kodi Wave 7 na tent. Ito yung power station. Blowity yung gamit namin ngayon, dalawa. Saka isang EcoFlow. Yung bed namin. So may Kodi din kami na sopa. Kasi ito, WNDRR na puan ko. Dito yung kitchen namin. Yung Black Dog na dome.
Waking up to the sunrise glow. Pack the gear, it's time to go. On the road with the ones I love, chasing skies and mountains above. Every trail, every view we see feels like home for you and me. Moments captured, memories made. Here's another perfect day. This is a J-12 big day. Camping wild and feeling free. Under the stars where we're meant to be. Join the journey, come along. Every campfire has its song. This is our story. This is our ride. Our reds are living side by side. Our reds are living side by side. River breeze and the pine trees sway. Cozy tents where we end the day. Laughing loud with the camping crew. Every moment feels brand new. So let's keep rolling, don't slow down. New campsites in every town. From sunrise light to midnight flames. This adventure calls our name. This is a J-12 day. Camping wild and feeling free. Under the stars where we're meant to be. Join the journey, come along. Every campfire has its song. This is our story. This is our
side by side. Dance and live side by side. This is it, take slave free. This is it, take slave free.
Umahambon na. Pero ikot muna tayo saglit. Dito lang kami nag-set up sa may harap ng pool. Ito yung pool nila. Ang ganda ng pool dito. Tapos, yun yung setup namin. Doon lang kami nag-setup. Check natin yung banyo. Oh, ito yung comfort room. Yan, dito yung female. Tapos, dito tayo sa male. Huwag tayong pumasok doon. Yan. Tapos ikot tayo dun sa may shower room sa kabila. Ito yung shower area. Check natin yung tubig. Siyempre malakas. Guys, nasa camp 3 pala kami. Yun yung camp 3. Dito yung camp 1 sa may open ground. Tapos yung kabila is camp 2. Ang daming bunga ng makopa. Yan o. Yan. Good evening guys. So eto, full setup na kami. Naghihintay na lang kami ng pagkain. Nag-order kami ng lomi sa Grab. Tahimik dito guys, ang ganda. Tapos doon may family din doon. Nagka-camp din sila. So dalawa lang kami dito ng grupo. Ito guys yung dinner namin, barbecue, kasi hindi umabot yung lomi na order namin sa Grab. So dinner muna kami.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be
Malamig na yung panahon guys.
in days of old?
Eto, may baon tayo. Pampainit.
Old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of
Tara,
kindness yet.
shot tayo.
Days of old lang syne. And here's my trusty friend, and here's a hand of mine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang
Good night guys. Katapos lang namin ni Mrs. mag-movie marathon. So mag-host na din ako ng ilaw.
we'll talk a cup
Kasi maliwanag naman dito sa camp. Ayan, ang daming ilaw. Palibutan yung buong camp ng ilaw. So, see you tomorrow guys. Maaga tayo gigising para magkape tayo. Night.
I was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I
Good morning guys. Time check tayo. 5:22 AM. Maliwanag na rin. Malamig din yung lugar guys. Kasi farm ng tubo yung paligid dito. Kaya malamig guys. Coffee muna tayo guys. Tara, kape tayo.
Hanging on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never hanging on the beach, catch the tide. Those will always be the best days of my life. My life. There I fell in love, held her hand, kissing while we painted hearts down in the sand. The sand, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun.
Ito guys, tapos na namin mag-breakfast. Maliligo muna kami bago kami magligpit. Chill lang oh.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes
Swimming time. Ito, baby, say hi. Hi. Ang gagaling mag-swimming ng mga kids. Ang aga mag-swimming, galing oh. Hindi takot sa tubig.
I got no reason to be sad. My mood is convinced me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Oh my God, it's so strange. You're right. I got you sent from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me
So guys, nagliligpit na kami. So nakapagligpit na rin ako ng ibang gamit. Yan. So, ito na lang tent namin. Na-load na namin ibang gamit namin sa sasakyan. Mukhang uulan. Ipo-ipo la. Nakasaipo-ipo. Yan. Nagliligpit kami, biglang lumakas yung hangin. Ano yun? Ito guys, so tapos na kami magligpit ng gamit. Punuan na. Puzzle na naman yung likod namin. Bigla rin kasing lumakas yung hangin, may ipo-ipo kanina. Kaya nabigla kaming mabilis lang naligpit. So, salamat sa panonood guys. Thank you for watching and see you on our next adventure. So, see you soon guys. Camping ulit tayo. Tara. Let's go. Uwi na guys. Tamang-tama lang yung pagliligpit namin. Tingnan nyo, umulan na naman. Ayan o. Lakas ng ulan. Kaya kanina may ipo-ipo pa eh. So, nakaraos naman ang pagliligpit.
Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. I'm off the ground, no one can stop me now. Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. The other night, I remember what it felt like. It felt like to be young, I'm wide-eyed. 여전히 그리워. 어린애 딴 달아 이유가 없던 내 밤